Are you dreaming of chocolatey deliciousness? Well, make your dreams come true. Just keep watching Life of Pain. This keto-friendly and gluten-free chocolate brownie bar will satisfy your every chocolate cravings. First, we need to melt the butter and chocolate, so I'm going to melt it in the microwave. Put it into a microwave-safe bowl. And then I'm going to microwave it for 60 seconds. Bring it out and then mix it up a little bit. And the chocolate is still hard, so I'm putting it in for another 30 seconds. Go ahead and mix it until the chocolate is melted. Or if you don't have a microwave, you can put it into a small pot over low heat and just stir it frequently. I'm going to butter my baking paper on a flat surface. It's just easier. Now flatten the baking paper to the bottom of the rice cooker pot as much as possible. Carefully pour your batter into your pot, staying inside of the baking paper. Okay, it's after our second bake. Oh, it smells good. Look at that pool of butter in the middle. And my chopstick is coming out clean, so our baking is done. This chocolate brownie bar is dense, and you can really taste the chocolate in it. This will keep well in the refrigerator or in the freezer for a couple days. If you have any leftover, that is. Satisfy your chocolate craving and make this chocolate brownie bar. You are so awesome for watching my video to the end. Please give me that thumbs up down below if this video was enjoyable and helpful to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And that notification bell too, so that you know when I upload new videos and you don't miss any of them. And I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and my channel with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, happy baking!